tita. Good morning. Merry Christmas Eve.
Away at tambuhan, tulad ng gabi araw, ngayon at kailanman, sa habang panahon, buhay ko sa'yo lang.
Iyak, pinatapit na kami. Paano ulit? Ang sitwag, ganyan ba yung boss nyo, guys?
Kapalaran, pagka tayong dalawa'y para sa isa't isa. Oo na, sige na, huwag ka nang mag-isip pa, at mahal kang talaga. Sige na, oo na, hanggang sa wakas nitong mundo'y mahal pa rin kita sa haba. Dahil simple lang ang pangarap ko, mahalin ang katulad mo, sana ay mapansin mo. Dahil simple lang ang pangarap ko.
You look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I like you more, the world may know, but don't be scared, 'cause I'm falling deeper, baby, be prepared. I like your shirt, I like your fingers, love the way that you smell. To be your favorite jacket just so I could always be near. I loved you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear, but after all this time, I hope you wait and take. Love you every minute, every second. Love you everywhere in every moment, always and forever. I know I can't quit you, 'cause baby, you're the one. I don't know how, I love you till the last of snow disappears. Love you till the rainy day becomes clear.
Paano yung unggoy? Paano yung unggoy? Paano? Ano mas maganda pa? So ba? Nakalabas yung ngipin, tsaka gilagi. Hindi naman maganda.